JAMB 2022 question 38. Now, if alpha and beta are the root of the equation, 2x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. We're asked to evaluate alpha squared plus beta squared. Okay, so we are given 2x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. Alpha and beta are roots of the equation. You can go ahead to solve the quadratic equation to get the roots, but then that will be a longer way. The best way to use is to express alpha squared plus beta squared in terms of alpha. Okay, we are expressing it in terms of alpha plus beta and in terms of alpha beta. So when we have x squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0, it is given that the sum of the roots alpha plus beta, this is the quadratic equation. If we divide all through by a, then we'll have x squared plus b over ax plus c over a is equals to 0. Now, the formula for a quadratic equation is x squared plus or minus into the sum of roots x plus the product of roots is equals to 0. So the sum of roots, let's assume the roots are alpha and beta, will be alpha plus beta x, and the product will be alpha beta is equals to 0. So if you compare these two equations together now, we can say that alpha plus beta is equals to minus b over a, and alpha beta, okay, and alpha beta, which is this, is equals to c over a. Now let's look at 2x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. So the sum of roots alpha plus beta is what? Alpha beta is what? Before that, we have to know what is a, what is b, and what is c. So this is a comparing to ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We know that a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 5, and c is equals to 6. So alpha plus beta is equals to minus b over a, which is equals to minus into minus 5 divided by a. A is 2, and this will give us 5 over 2. And alpha beta is equals to what? C over a. C is 6, a is 2, which is 3. Now I want to find an expression for alpha squared plus beta squared. Now, if we go in the direction of alpha plus beta all squared, we know that a plus b squared is equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Therefore, alpha plus beta squared will be equals to alpha squared plus 2 alpha beta plus beta squared. So we can make alpha plus beta subject to formula. So let's bring 2 alpha beta to the left hand side. So we'll have alpha plus beta squared minus 2 alpha beta is equals to alpha squared plus beta squared. So we've established that alpha squared plus beta squared is equals to alpha plus beta squared minus 2 alpha beta. So with respect to that now, we go back and we see that our alpha plus beta is 5 over 2. squared, and our alpha beta is 3. So we can find an answer for alpha squared plus beta squared. So this will give us 25 divided by 4 minus 6. Let's find the LCM is 4. This will give us 25 and this will give us 24. And this will give us 1 over 4, which is option D. So alpha squared plus beta squared is equals to 1 over 4.